We got an emergency call.
The toddler just escaped from Swellview prison.
He greased himself up with baby oil and no one could grab him.
Slick move. Let's bounce.
Oh, who cares about the toddler? We catch him, we throw him in jail. 6 weeks later, he's back out on the street.
I know what to do.
Remember when you took the toddler, bro?
I don't need the pump-up song. I need new guys to fight. Oh, I'm sick of fighting the same criminals over and over again. I'm bored.
Try going on Rumblr.
Huh?
Try going on Rumblr.
What's Rumblr?
Nah, it's Rumblr. Yeah, it's Rumblr.
It's an app?
It's called Rumblr.
It's an app.
I sometimes forget how old he is.
I don't.
What's Rumblr?
Well, it's like a dating app, but instead of matching women with creeps, it matches heroes with villains.
Why would a villain want to find a hero to fight?
Attention.
Publicity.
Yeah, think about it. Any bad guy that fights Captain Man ends up all over the news.
And if they actually beat you in a fight?
Boom. Evil sponsorship. They just turned their villain hobby into a villain career.
Yeah, well, no one's gonna beat me in a fight.
Big talk from someone who's afraid to get on Rumblr.
I'm not afraid to get on Rumblr. I just like to meet villains the old-fashioned way, that's all. I bump into them at a crime scene, start to banter a little. One thing leads to another, and suddenly I'm fighting this bad guy, and it's amazing.
Yeah, dude, that's not how villains and heroes meet these days.
Yeah, well, it should be.
Just try it. Get the app, make a profile, put yourself out there.
Ray, what if your perfect villain is out there waiting for you right now?
Yeah, well, what if I end up finding some guy I don't like, and then I accidentally spill mustard on my butt, and he spends the whole evening calling me mustard butt? What then, huh? What then?
Did that happen to you before?
No,
Because that's a very specific concern.
didn't happen.